Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a diamond art storage container. It has everything that you need. Let's look at the outside. Look at this handle. It retracts in and it is really sturdy. It has nice grip on it and a place on the back for your fingers. And you get the really nice zip that goes the whole way around, and you have two zippers. This is sturdy and it is water resistant and has a really nice texture to it. I was gifted the purple. It comes in a bunch of different colors. This is the medium, and so this has 60 slots. So let me open this up and show you. So pro tip, the handle always goes on the bottom here, and then you have all of your bottles. This is really nice. They are in this foam rather, and this is going to keep all of your bottles in place. And you also have this really big net section up here to store all of your tools. These are bigger than most other bottles that I have seen, and the lids screw on, which is really, really nice. It also comes with, these are round stickers and square or rectangle stickers so that you can label the top of your jars and keep yourself very organized. It also comes with some other tools. You have this really nice wide flat one, and you also have the other diamond art tools. Let me show you up close. So you get all of these different sizes, and then you have like the pen side, I'm going to call it, which was for one. And then as you can see on the other side, you have all of the different sizes so you can really be efficient with your beading. I have one of these on. It comes with these grippies. You get 4 in total for your 4 pens, so you can put these on or you don't have to. It's really up to you. I think that feels great. They're nice and smushy and cushiony, and let's face it, they're purple, so that makes it really fun. You get a lot of wax. I mean, come on, you never have enough wax when you are doing diamond art, and they peel apart into little pieces. Again, that makes it very convenient. You get the super fine tweezers. Again, you always need the tweezers. And last but not least, you get these really awesome containers for your diamonds. But right here is where the magic happens. This also is a funnel. So you have the nice ridges in here so you can line up your beads really easily. And then you have this so that when you are finished with one of your beads, you can easily pour them into your containers just like that. So this kit is absolutely amazing. And it also comes with 2 sets of Ziploc bags. They're like the bag that they come in, and you get 10 baggies in each of these. So comprehensive, so amazing. Let me put everything in here and just show you how organized you can be. You put everything in the net part. You have all of your tubes at the bottom. You close that up, zip it up, done and ready to go. This one's a winner. Check it out.